Introducing 3M Cubitron II File Belts, featuring precision-shaped grain technology. Engineered to stay sharp longer than conventional ceramic file belts for increased cut and longer life. Suitable for a range of metalworking applications in the body shop, Cubitron II File Belts provide improved control and ease of use for spot weld removal and grinding hard-to-reach areas. It's all thanks to 3M's revolutionary precision-shaped grain technology. In conventional abrasives, the grain is irregular in shape, so instead of a clean machining action, it plows through the metal, causing heat buildup, slower cutting speed, and shorter life. Cubitron II precision-shaped grain continuously fractures to form sharp points and edges, slicing cleaner and faster, staying cooler, and lasting 2 times longer. The result is a finer, more consistent finish, requiring less pressure, a faster cut, more durability, and a longer belt life. Introducing 3M Cubitron II File Belts, featuring precision-shaped grain technology.